I tried to scream, but the sound stayed inside. Yeah! I've been holding my breath, counting cracks in the wall. Every word that I swallow still echoes when I fall. Built this armor from shame, wore it under my skin. Tried to drown out the pain, but it's crawling back in. I keep running in circles from the things I can't change. Every step that I take feels like walking through flames. I'm still standing in the noise, with a war in my head. Every voice telling me I'm better off dead. But I won't fade, I won't break, I won't give you the rest of my fate. I'm still standing in the noise, still alive, still awake. I learned how to smile when I'm falling apart. I learned how to fight with a hole in my heart. You said time will heal, but time just reminds. Every scar that I carry is still fucking mine. I keep digging for answers in the dirt of my doubt. Every truth that I find just keeps pulling me down. I'm still standing in the noise, with a war in my head. Every voice telling me I'm better off dead. But I won't fade, I won't break, I won't give you the rest of my faith. I'm still standing in the noise, still alive, still awake. I'm tired of being calm, I'm tired of being strong. I'm tired of pretending nothing ever went wrong. You don't know what it's like to fight yourself every night, to be your own enemy and still survive. Shut it out, shut it down. All the fear, all the sound. I'm still standing in the noise, with the blood in my veins. I've been losing myself, but I'm not erased. But I won't fade, I won't break, I won't let this be the end of my name. I'm still standing in the noise, still alive, still awake. I tried to scream,